Hello Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today for the unboxing of the October cherry box. So we have some lovely Halloween goodies in here for you this month. Ta-da! All right, so every month we get scrapbooking goodies, memory keeping goodies, and there's usually some fun mixed media goodies to try. So let's check out, there are a lot of embellishments in the kit this month. This is going to be a ton of fun. I'm excited to share this with you. So let's start with the big stuff. We get the Cartabella collection kit, Halloween collection kit, and you have a mixture of pattern papers as well as the there's the stickers there. I don't know if you can see it through the glare of my lights. And then you get 12 double-sided pattern papers as well as the stickers. So let's go through that super quick. So there's the intro. So some jack-o'-lanterns with witches hats, and I love that texture. Your 4x3 cards. So those are all vertical cards. And then a nice Halloween night sky. And what might be fun with that is to put some sparkle in the sky there. We'll go over that. Sunflowers, flowers, and stitching, kind of like Frankenstein stitching. Can you see that tone on tone there with a nice sort of burgundy color? Some frames and tone on tone there. So all the B-sides are kind of more tone on tone. So here's your 6x4, again, all vertical cards, and then a fun sky with stars, or just stars. A plaid, fun Halloween plaid, and there you go, it's more your night sky, right? Feet, witches feet and hats, and a stitched B-side, orange and maroon. So these are squares, 4x4s, and a burgundy, sort of more purpley kind of color. Some spider webs, bats, and this is Cartabella, so this is nice and thick. Some pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns, and a fun B-side. Then you have your 4x6 cards, so these are all horizontal. That would make a fun frame for a shaker maybe, or even that. And candy, black cats, black sort of gauzy texture, and then these are the stickers. So that is your paper and your stickers. And then for added embellishments, you've got this plaid washi, so that's what it looks like. And I can open that or pull off a piece. So that is the washi there. That's from the Fall Fever, but goes nicely with that. You have these Jolie's dimensional banners, so Happy Halloween, Trick or Treat, and Boo. And then you have these shakers. Look at the ghosts in there in that pumpkin, so they're all pumpkins and beads. Then you get the enamel dots that go with the collection, as well as a designer die, and the die is just a little pumpkin and some bats or jack-o'-lantern, so that would be fun. Then for your mixed media, you get this Moxie glitter, fine glitter. So I will try very carefully to open this. Very carefully was, you can already see the very operative word there. Yeah, I don't know how much I want to open this just yet because I don't, well, all right, here we go. Oh, please don't go flying everywhere. There you go. So that is the glitter. I'll give that a minute. And actually, I didn't need to open it because look, there's this nifty little twisty thing. So there you can dump glitter. And then with that, you can get like a salt and pepper shaker of a salt shaker of glitter. Oh my goodness. All right, so there's the very fine glitter. And then there is a mixed media brush to smudge stuff or pick up glitter off of your work surface. And then last but not least, you get these the sequence mix from Picket Fence Studios. So you've got little bones in there and candy corns. Yeah, so that'll be a fun cherry box. So be sure to come back in a couple weeks or a week and check out what it is that I have created with this box. Thanks for stopping in today. Come back again soon. Take care.